Heavenly Father, I confess my sins. I ask you to help me and every Christian on earth to get in the unbreakable, permanent habit of asking you to train us how to hear your voice and how to know we're hearing your voice when you are training us to hear your voice. I also ask you to help us to get into the permanent, unbreakable habit of asking you to either solve our problems for us or asking you to give us wisdom on how to solve the problems that we can solve. I ask this for myself and every Christian on earth in Jesus' holy name. Thank you, Lord. Amen.